Nearly 8 out of 10 cars under $10,000 are ticking time bombs. Cheap up front, but brutal when the first big repair hits. I've gone through Consumer Reports data, JD Power rankings, and hundreds of owner reviews to separate the gems from the junk. Some models here run 250,000 miles on nothing but oil changes and brake pads, proving that reliability doesn't have to cost a fortune. But others in this price range can blow a transmission that costs more than the entire car. One wrong choice, and that bargain becomes a nightmare. In this video, I'll break down the 12 most reliable used cars under $10,000, real-world proven survivors that deliver peace of mind long after the warranty is gone. Stick around, because the last car on this list might surprise you. Number 12. 2009 to 2013 Suzuki SX4 AWD hatchback or sedan. You've seen the Toyotas, the Hondas, maybe even a Lexus. But Suzuki? Didn't they stop making cars a while ago? Exactly. And that's what makes the Suzuki SX4 the ultimate under-the-radar pick. This compact hatchback, or sedan, was one of the few budget-friendly cars in its class to offer real all-wheel drive, a huge bonus for wet or snowy climates. And while Suzuki pulled out of a few markets, the SX4 kept selling in places like Europe, Asia, and South America. Parts are still easy to find, thanks to shared components with Fiat and Subaru. There's even a loyal repair community that hasn't let these cars fade. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder is solid and simple. Owners consistently report pushing past 200,000 kilometers with just basic maintenance. Think sensors, wheel bearings, and the occasional belt. You'll often see clean examples listed for $3,500 to $6,000, according to Edmunds and regional classifieds. No flashy badge, no fancy touchscreen, just honest reliability. If you want a tough, affordable AWD car few people think to buy, this one's your secret weapon. Number 11. 2006 to 2011 Lexus GS 350 rear-wheel drive. The Subaru Outback will get you through snow, mud, and a weekend at the cabin. But what if your road leads to a boardroom instead of a trailhead? You don't need a brand new BMW to show up in style, just a well-kept Lexus GS 350. This sedan was Toyota's quiet flex. Rear-wheel drive, a buttery 3.5-liter V6, and a cabin that still feels high-end 15 years later. It glides on the highway, handles curves with poise, and rarely breaks down. Many GS owners on forums report crossing the 200,000-mile mark without major repairs. The 2006 to 2011 models avoid the overly complex tech of newer luxury cars, while still offering premium features like heated leather seats, keyless entry, and a rock-solid build. According to Kelley Blue Book, clean examples fall between $6,500 and $9,000 depending on mileage and region. It's one of the few luxury sedans you can actually afford to own and keep. Want comfort, class, and Toyota-level reliability? The GS delivers it all, quietly. Number 10. 2005 to 2008 Subaru Outback. The Mazda 6 proves that affordable sedans can still be fun. But what if you're done with sedans altogether? What if your daily drive includes dirt roads, snowbanks, or a couple of muddy soccer fields? That's where the Subaru Outback earns its stripes. The 2005 to 2008 models offer full-time all-wheel drive and nearly 66 cubic feet of cargo space. And the icing on the cake? A balanced ride that feels planted on rough terrain. Stick to the non-turbo 2.5-liter engine, and this wagon is known to hit 250,000 miles with proper care. Avoid the turbo, that's where things get expensive. Mechanics love it for one reason: everything is built to last. The transmission, suspension, and drivetrain are all easy to maintain. Just watch for head gasket repairs on higher mileage ones. A clean history and fresh gaskets? You're golden. Prices typically range from $4,000 to $7,500, still well below the SUV hype train. Whether you're navigating snow, camping trails, or just hauling life around town, The Outback does it all with old-school reliability. Number 9. 2006 to 2012 Mazda 6. Think you have to choose between reliability and fun? Not with the Mazda 6. Most mid-size sedans under $10,000 feel dull and disconnected, but this one delivers sharp handling, responsive steering, and 2 solid engine options, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder or a lively V6. I've driven a few of these over the years, and every time, it felt like a car that should have cost more. But the best part? These things last. With regular oil changes and basic upkeep, many owners report getting past 200,000 miles without major repairs. The interior is simple but tough, the powertrain is easy to service, and parts are widely available. Just check for rust if you're shopping in snowy states. You'll find well-kept examples between $3,500 and $6,500, a steal for something this engaging. If you're tired of bland and boring, the Mazda 6 proves that driving pleasure and long-term reliability can absolutely go hand in hand. Number 8. 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius, 2nd generation. What if I told you one of the most fuel-efficient cars ever built is also one of the most durable? My favorite mechanic says these old Toyota Prius models show up for tires and oil changes, not major repairs. The 2nd generation Prius, built from 2004 to 2009, was ahead of its time. Its 1.5-liter engine and electric motor work together in a system that's still going strong, well past 200,000 miles. People worry about the hybrid battery, but the truth? Most original packs last a long time, and if one does fail, the replacement cost has dropped a lot over the years. You'll get 45 to 50 miles per gallon, strong reliability, and a quiet ride. It's roomy for a hatchback, and the traction control helps in bad weather, especially with snow tires. You can find solid examples for $4,000 to $6,500, depending on condition. It may not win beauty contests, but if you want a car that saves you money at the pump and the repair shop, the Prius quietly delivers. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Now, let's move on to number 7. 2006 to 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. You don't need a truck to get tough. This next car was trusted by police departments, taxi fleets, and government workers for years, and it's still running strong today. The Ford Crown Victoria is one of the most reliable full-size sedans ever built. It comes with a 4.6-liter V8 that's known for going over 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. These were made to handle rough city roads, long highway shifts, and endless idling, all without breaking down. Rear-wheel drive makes it better for dry roads, but with snow tires and some weight in the trunk, it still handles winter just fine. Mechanics love working on it because the engine bay is roomy and parts are easy to find, and cheap. And here's the best part. You can still grab one for around $4,000 to $7,000, especially former fleet models or well-kept private sales. If you want a car that's simple, tough, and built to last, the Crown Vic still holds its ground. Number 6. 2008 to 2014 Scion XB, 2nd generation. Everyone's chasing Toyotas, Hondas, and Subarus. And guess what? That demand drives the prices up, even for models with 200,000 miles. So, what's the smart move? Sometimes, the best deals hide under lesser-known badges, like this boxy legend from Toyota's younger cousin. The Scion XB looks like a fridge on wheels, and that turns off a lot of buyers. But under the surface, it's pure Toyota reliability. The 2.4-liter engine inside, same one used in the Camry and RAV4. It runs forever, parts are everywhere, and most shops know it inside out. It's front-wheel drive, holds up well in snow, and hauls more cargo than you'd expect from something this size. Fold the seats down, and it turns into a mini moving van. You can score a clean 2008 to 2014 model for $5,000 to $7,000, way below what a Toyota with the same engine would cost. Unpopular shape, underrated brand. But this is one of the smartest buys under $10,000. You just have to look past the silhouette. Number 5. 2013 Ford Focus SE Manual Hatchback. The Avalon may be calm, quiet, and classy, but what if you want something with a little bite? A car that's fun to toss around, still reliable, and surprisingly cheap. Most people overlook this next one, and honestly, that's a huge mistake. The Ford Focus has one of the worst reputations in the used car market, but here's the twist. That reputation only applies to the automatic models. Go with the 5-speed manual, and you get a completely different experience. The 2.0-liter Duratec engine is solid. Paired with the stick shift, it's zippy, sharp through corners, and still manages around 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Most mechanics barely see issues with these manual trims. They're simple, durable, and cheap to maintain. And yes, it does fine in the snow too, especially with decent tires. Price? Expect to pay $4,500 to $6,500 in 2025 for a clean hatchback. If you want real driving feel without real problems, the Focus SE manual is the one Ford actually got right. Number 4. 2011 Toyota Avalon. The 2011 Toyota Avalon was built with one mission: quiet, comfortable, long-distance cruising, and it absolutely delivers. Under the hood is Toyota's rock-solid 3.5-liter V6, the same engine used in the Highlander and Camry V6. It's smooth, strong, and shockingly reliable. I've seen these pass 400,000 miles without engine trouble, and they're often still running strong with original transmissions. What makes the Avalon a secret weapon? It rides like a Lexus ES, but costs half as much. As of 2025, you can find clean examples between $7,000 and $9,500, usually with low miles and a full maintenance record. It's front-wheel drive, so in snow, it holds traction surprisingly well, especially with good tires. It's not an off-roader, but it's a solid daily no matter the season. There's tons of legroom, top-notch build quality, and none of the complicated tech that breaks on newer cars. Mechanics love how easy it is to service. If you want to feel like you're driving a luxury car without worrying about luxury repair bills, the Avalon is one of the best-kept secrets under $10,000. Number 3. 2013 Honda Civic. People love to call it boring. Mechanics call it brilliant. The 2013 Honda Civic might not turn heads, but it's one of the most reliable compact cars ever made. I've seen more of these still running at 200,000 miles than almost anything else on the road, and they're not just crawling to the finish line. This model came with a 1.8-liter engine and a conventional 5-speed automatic. No CVT, no turbo, just simple, time-tested parts that rarely fail. Maintenance is cheap, and replacement parts are everywhere. On dry pavement, it's light and nimble. In snow? With a decent set of tires, it's confident and predictable. I've driven this Civic through city traffic, gravel roads, and slushy hills. Never once felt out of control. RepairPal gives it a 4.5 out of 5 for reliability, and mechanics I've worked with rank it as one of the easiest and cheapest cars to keep on the road. If you're looking for a car that just works, no drama, no breakdowns, the Civic is exactly that. Number 2. 2015 Mazda 6 Skyactiv 2.5-liter. Most people wouldn't trust a fun car to last 250,000 miles. Those people haven't seen the Mazda 6. After the Camry, you'd think you'd have to choose between durability and excitement, but this car gives you both. The 2015 Mazda 6 isn't just a good value. It's one of the most underestimated long-haul sedans out there. Powered by a 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine, it delivers impressive gas mileage and real-world performance. Drivers on Reddit's r/Mazda3 and r/CarTalk regularly report crossing 250,000 with no major issues. One said, "Mine's at 271,000. Still shifts like the day I bought it. It's got style. It handles like a dream." And yet, on RepairPal, it scores 4.5 out of 5 for reliability. That's a rare combination in this price range. The 2015 model also marked Mazda's full break from Ford. and it shows. Build quality improved, maintenance costs stayed low, and the 6-speed automatic is rock solid. No CVT nightmares here. Want some tech? Look for the Grand Touring trim. But even base models hold up well. If you want a car that feels premium but costs less than your last vacation, this one deserves a spot on your list. Number 1. 2011 Toyota Camry 2.5-liter i4. They don't make cars like this anymore. And that's not just talk, it's the truth. The 2011 Toyota Camry is one of the last great sedans built to last forever. Owners have pushed these past 500,000 miles with no engine rebuilds. Just basic maintenance. It's not flashy, but it refuses to die. You'll see these outliving newer, more expensive cars even after brutal winters and daily abuse. Why does it last? No turbo to fail, no complicated transmission, just a solid 2.5-liter engine and a traditional 6-speed automatic. No CVT here. That's the newer type of transmission known for being smooth but expensive to fix. The Camry sticks to the old-school gear system that mechanics actually trust. And that's a huge plus when you're trying to avoid costly repairs. What to watch for? Worn motor mounts and the occasional water pump leak after 150,000. Nothing major. You can still find one under $10,000 with plenty of miles left. If you want a car that works hard and stays out of the repair shop, this is it. You've just seen the 12 best used cars under $10,000. Models that prove you don't need deep pockets for rock-solid reliability. But what if you want a car that doesn't just survive, but actually outlasts today's brand new models? Don't miss our next video, the best used cars that outlast new ones. It's packed with data, real-world owner stories, and the hidden champions no one talks about. Click now, because knowing which cars outlast the latest showroom models could save you thousands in the long run.